This is a steamship invented in Britain more than 200 years ago. It only needs to carry 650 tons of coal to cross the Atlantic. Twice as fast as traditional wind-powered ships, but with so much coal on board, wooden ships had to be built bigger, which would cause them to buckle and break when they were hit by huge waves at sea. To make the ship stronger, engineers reinforced the inside of the ship with bolts and iron beams. The strengthened ship took only 15 days to cross the Atlantic safely. However, it had problems on its first voyage. When large waves hit the boat, they tilted, causing one of the wheels to spin out of the water, which wastes a lot of power. So engineers designed a new propulsion device that works like this spiral pump, and when it starts, the water at the bottom is carried up to the top. If this device is placed horizontally on the bottom of the ship, it becomes a thruster that can provide continuous power. As the ship gained speed, the wind and waves made it sway on the sea. The turbulence was very unpleasant for the passengers in the ship. Engineers fitted the ship with a special gyroscope, which works just like the wheel. When it turns, it moves in one direction, and if you lay it on the boat, you just need to change the direction of the front and back, and you can shift the ship left and right. Large gyroscopes on ships use this principle to tilt the ship in the opposite direction, counteracting the force of the wind and waves. But this is not enough. In order to make the boat completely stable, you also need to install fins on the sides of the boat, which can control the depth of the boat by different angles of tilt. In this way, even if you meet the biggest wind and waves, the passengers inside the ship are not affected at all. When the ship is completely stable, it is time to find ways to expand the interior and add recreational facilities to attract more rich people to take the ship. So the engineers moved the boiler engine to the top deck. However, the equipment was too heavy, causing the ship to lose balance. Engineers split the center's exhaust pipe in two so there was enough room for entertainment. As ships continue to expand their interiors, their safety will be compromised. At sea, when a huge storm hits, the inner space will be squeezed and deformed. So engineers used heavy steel plates to stiffen the walls of the rooms, and then steel columns to act as load-bearing beams to support the interior of the ship. This design made the ship more difficult to build, so engineers used cranes on land to piece together the interior rooms, layer by layer, which were as strong as a beehive and strong enough to withstand strong waves. And so the perfect cruise ship was built.